VP of Operations here at Perfection Spring and Stamping in Mount Prospect, Illinois. Perfection Spring and Stamping is a full-service contract manufacturing shop which manufactures springs, four-slide parts and multi-slide parts, as well as precision metal stampings and sub-assemblies for a variety of OEM manufacturers in the appliance, power tool, and automotive sectors. Okay. We had a challenge of presenting to our metal stamping dies aluminum and precision metals into our press tools that was as flat as could be possibly presented to the die. With the existing equipment that we had, we were not able to present flat material which was defect-free as a result of the imperfections that were into the previous equipment that we had owned. One of the requirements that we do have for automotive electronics is that we manufacture for several different manufacturers who supply the OEMs around the globe with a component which is known as a rigidizer. What they basically do is laminate a flexible circuit board onto the rigidizer, populate it with the various different electronic components, solder it and test it, and then what they do is that they begin to form the rigidizer into a shape around either a die-cast metal body or some other type of metal body or housing, so that the flexible circuit board then goes from a flat into a shape, taking up the lowest possible real estate in the motor vehicle. We selected the co-straightener equipment and derailing equipment as being the best possible solution for us to present flat material to our die. Is with the amount of service and with the technical expertise that we found at CO, we were able to come up with a solution that allows us to present our dies with the flattest possible material that we can get from delivered mill stock. Part of the solution for us was to have an 11-roll precision straightener that would actually have LEDs for us to be able to reset our rolls for whatever given material. Also to have a rapid, quick opening and closing device of the top and bottom rolls so that we could clean the hard chromed rolls very, very quickly and prevent any debris or imperfections from getting onto the mill material that we were putting into the die. Well, in talking with CO and explaining to them what our requirements were and what we wanted to try to do, is that they were able to engineer a very effective yet simple method for us to basically open up 2 cap screws on the straightener, energize some pneumatic cylinders, which lifts the head out of the way with a locking pin that you put in the way so that the head can't drop, and then you de-energize the piece of equipment and go in there and then clean up the rollers. So this has proved to be extremely effective. When we do clean, either between, depending on the length of the runs that we have, but especially between materials, where we may have had some steel in there, now we have to run aluminum, we can basically at setup open up the machine in 5-6 minutes, do an inspection, a cleaning, and get the machine closed back up into its settings. And I would say even when we've had to do some aggressive cleaning in 15 to 20 minutes at the longest rate of times.